Here at Echor, our mission is to help you meet your true potential by facilitating a better night's sleep. Is snoring having a negative effect on yours or your partner's sleep? If so, you're not alone. Half of the population suffers from snoring. Snoring is caused by the tissue around the airways relaxing and narrowing during sleep. Numerous studies have shown that a good double snoring mouthpiece can be an effective aid to stop snoring. Our double fit design provides a link between the top and bottom teeth, holding the lower jaw forward and thus increasing the airway opening, which in turn can reduce snoring frequency and volume. The Echor Snoring Mouthguard is a registered medical device that can be fitted at home by heating it in hot water. And with our remodeling technology, if you don't get the fit right first time, you can repeat the fitting process again. Nowadays, hygiene is extremely important. That's why we've included a breathable and durable carry case and infused our night guards with Biomaster Anti-Microbial technology. This inhibits the growth of bacteria on the night guard by up to 99.99%. So, why wait? Enhance your sleep tonight to ensure a better tomorrow.